topic is left and end of abacus topic. +1 and +6. उसमें +1 करना है. Answer is 8. +2, +5, -5. Answer is 2. +1, +3, -4. Answer is 0. +1, +3, -4. Answer is same 0. +2, +2, -2. Answer is 2. +7, -2, +3. Answer is 8. +3, +2, +5, -2. +4, +5, +4. Wait. Hello friends. My topic is calculation. +2, +1, +1. Answer is 4. +2, +0, +5. Answer is 7. +1, +2, +5. Answer is 8. +5, +1, +1. Answer is 7. +1, +1, +1. Answer is 3. +2, +2, +5. Answer is 9. +3, +1 and 5. Answer is 9. +1, +5, +2. Answer is 8. +2, +0, +1. Answer is 3.